Do you want to hear quail calls? Rooster is not adjusting to... There you go. Not adjusting quite yet to being separated from his hens. I think he believes that if he calls enough, they'll come running, but they're locked up just like you because you hurt your hens. Kitty baby, you're on the floor. Go in the door and then I'll say hi. I do want to just have a disclaimer that my compost includes compostable bowls and isn't corralled yet, so it looks like trash, but it's not. So I'm going to be serenaded by that sound all day. He actually thinks that I'll come get him, so he actually went quiet. Stretchy wings. We also have some competitive crowing going on. So Rooster's lonely, and somebody else in there is crowing just because someone else is. There we go. Nice crowing. Yep, that's Rooster actually. That is Rooster. There we go. And then there's the reply chirp chirp from the hens. Your head is sore. Why do you want them? Bunny's drinking water. Henny Penny got put back in because solitary isolation is being held by Orange, the hen now. Yep. So it's like a mini soap opera of quail out here today. I don't know. It's a lot to handle. That's my opinion. Yeah. Hey, birds. Yeah, you. Your hens are over here and you're over there. What are you gonna do about it? And they're singing back to you. So, yeah. This is one of the best opportunities I have to show you what a Coturnix quail, or sometimes they're called Japanese quail, rooster call sounds like. And that's how loud it is. So pretty much city friendly, as long as they don't keep doing it into the night, which most of them don't. But if you do get one that does, you'll want to send it to freezer camp because it's exhausting. Some roosters start crowing at 3 in the morning and keep going until 11 o'clock at night. And those are just too much to have around. But for the most part, they only crow a couple times a day. If they're content, this guy's only not content because I just separated him from his hens. And I separated him from his hens because he's injuring them right now. So, are you really unhappy without your rooster over here? Chirp, chirp, chirp. All right, so let's look over the view again. Yes, I'm going to be serenaded all day long. It works. It's okay. Hopefully it won't be all night too. We'll find out. All right, hope you're having a good day. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe. Rooster says like, share, subscribe too. You hear that? It was 3 crows. It was like, share, subscribe. Thank you for visiting the cliffside. This has been Permaculture. Take care. Bye.